and angered by the storms.
For every doctor.
For every doctor.
For every doctor.
For every doctor, delivering a diagnosis.
For every researcher.
For every researcher.
Every researcher.
Every researcher.
Every researcher.
For every researcher
in relentless pursuit of answers.
I'm ready for a life where nothing holds me back. Oh, it's all that I need.
For every parent.
For every
For
parent.
every parent.
Every parent.
For every parent.
Every parent.
Stuck in a
Diagnostic journey.
My heart can breathe.
For every scientist.
For every scientist.
For every scientist.
Every scientist
Dedicated to creating hope.
creating hope.
Creating hope.
Creating hope for those who need it most.
For every foundation.
Every foundation.
Committed to advocacy. For every family member.
For every
Every family member.
For every family member.
Becoming an expert.
Becoming an expert.
Becoming an expert on a rare disease.
For all of those we have
For all
lost.
those
For all those that we have
That
lost.
we've lost.
along the way.
For everyone.
For everyone.
Everyone in the rare disease community. Our hearts.
Our
hearts
beat with you.
Nuestros corazones laten con ustedes.
Bringing hope to patients is what drives us. Your hope is our North Star.
It's embedded into our curiosity.
It drives our standards for safety and quality, and it pushes us to become better every single day. We
are Forge Biologics.
We are Forge Biologics, and we are manufacturing gene therapies for life.